If you are still writing code line by line in 2026, you are wasting your time. A new trend called vibe coding just went viral, and it's being powered by an AI that is crushing ChatGPT. OpenAI co-founder Andrej Karpathy calls it the future, where you forget the code even exists and just focus on the result. But the scary part is that the AI powering this shift isn't from Silicon Valley. It's DeepSeek, and their new models are about to make manual coding obsolete. The days of memorizing syntax, debugging missing semicolons, and spending hours scrolling through Stack Overflow are over. We are witnessing the democratization of software, where the only limit is your imagination, not your technical skill. Here is exactly how it works. Traditional coding requires you to know syntax, the grammar of the computer. You have to speak its language. Vibe coding reverses this. It requires the computer to speak your language. You act as the product manager, and the AI acts as the senior developer. Your job is just to vibe with the model, guiding it, correcting it, and iterating. We are using DeepSeek for this because its reasoning capabilities specifically for code generation are currently outperforming almost everything else on the market, including GPT-4o, when it comes to pure logic and cost efficiency. To start vibe coding, you don't open a blank text file. You open an AI-integrated environment like Cursor or Windsurf, and you connect it to the DeepSeek API. This setup allows the AI to see your entire project folder, not just one file. When you type a prompt like, "Build me a React dashboard that tracks crypto prices," the AI doesn't just give you a snippet. It creates the file structure, installs the dependencies, writes the CSS, and links the API. It does the work of 3 developers in 30 seconds. But here is the secret that beginners miss. It is not about getting it right the first time. It is about the loop. When you generate code, it might have a bug. In the old days, you would panic. In vibe coding, you just look at the error, hit Command K, and type, "It crashed when I clicked login." Fix it. The AI reads the error, understands the context of your entire code base, and patches it instantly. You are molding the software like clay, rather than constructing it like a bricklayer. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine you want to build a SaaS application to help people track their workouts. Step 1. You open your editor and prompt. Create a Next.js app with a landing page, a login form, and a dashboard. Boom, it's done. Step 2. You say, add a feature where users can log bench press weight and see a line graph of their progress. The AI writes the database schema, the backend logic, and the front-end graph component. Step 3. You notice the graph looks ugly. You don't rewrite the CSS. You just say, make the graph neon blue and add a dark mode background. It happens instantly. You are coding at the speed of thought. This speed changes the economics of business. In 2023, building that MVP would cost you $10,000 and take 2 months. Today, it costs you pennies in API credits and takes 1 afternoon. This means you can test 10 business ideas in the time it used to take to test 1. The barrier to entry has collapsed. However, there is a catch. While building the app is easy, keeping it alive and secure is where people fail. You cannot just run $1 million business from your laptop's local host. You need to deploy this code to a server that can handle traffic, manage databases, and scale automatically. This is where your infrastructure matters more than your code. To host your vibe coding projects securely, you need a robust environment like insert affiliate product name, because it integrates perfectly with these modern AI workflows and keeps your app online 24/7 without you needing to be a DevOps engineer. If your app goes viral, you need a server that won't crash, and that is what the pros use. The reality is that AI isn't going to replace developers. It's going to replace developers who refuse to adapt. The code monkey job is dead. The AI architect job is just beginning. By mastering vibe coding now, you are positioning yourself as one of the few people who can wield these massive intelligent systems to build real value. We are standing at the edge of a gold rush. DeepSeek and other models are only getting smarter. Next month, they might be twice as fast. If you start now, you are ahead of 99% of the population who are still afraid of AI. You have the tools, you have the strategy, and now you know the workflow. The only thing stopping you is opening that editor and typing your first prompt. Don't let this opportunity slip.